Hello, this is Roshni Raj. I am a BTech Biotechnology graduate from Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, 2021 pass-out batch. I had got placed in Accenture with a package of 4.5 lakhs. So I would like to tell that the placement procedure in Accenture was one of the best that I had attended. It included 3 rounds, that is the first one being the technical round, the second being communication skills test, and the third being the personal interview. So the first round, that is the technical round, it was an online test which was based on most of the technical skills that you had. That included the C programming languages, Python, Java, DBMS, SQL, data structures, and so on. So that test basically tried to test your skills, these technical skills, and along with that it also tested your logical reasoning, analytical thinking, aptitude, and even general English questions. So to crack this technical round, it is very important to know the basic knowledge of these computer languages, that is the loops, functions, data types, data structures, and so on. The second round included the communications test, which was testing your speaking and listening skills. So for example, I was asked to listen to one of the sentence or paragraph that was being read out, and I had to answer a question which was shown on the screen. So you have to have proper listening skills for that. And another question I was asked was to read out a sentence that has been shown on the screen. So this was testing your speaking and listening skills, and it is very important to work on these skills as well, which will help you in the personal interview as well. The third and last round was the personal interview, where they had asked about my personal life and college life, all the extracurricular events that I had participated in, and also all the project works and internships that I had attended. They had also asked about a few basic computer programs, like I said, C program, Python, or whatever you were strong in. And so it is important to be good in these basic knowledge as well. And obviously, being coming from a non-IT background, they would not expect you to know much in detail about these languages. Also to mention, there were 1 or 2 coding questions asked as well in the technical as well as personal interview. So be thorough with the coding questions as well. I would like to thank L4G and CBIT for introducing Coursera to us. So I had done 3 courses in Coursera. The first being getting started with Python, that is the basic course. The second is Python data structures, and the third is using Python to access web data. So these courses had helped me a lot during the technical and the personal interview. I had already learned C language during my first year, but I thought having another programming language would always be helpful in your be it your technical or your personal interview round. So I would like to suggest you to take up any courses, such courses as well from Coursera, because it was very easy to understand. Like the lectures taught in Coursera were very easy, and they also had a few coding questions as well. So it gave you a better training in writing the codes and compiling them. So maybe taking up Python would be easy, because Python is known as one of the easiest computer languages. So this would definitely help you to crack any software placements. Lastly, I would like to give some of the tips for cracking any placements. The first being that always keep your resume updated. The second is keep a balance between your academics and your co-curricular activities, because these extracurricular activities also give a lot of weightage to your resume. The third and the very important part is do as many project works and internships as possible, because that will give an impression to the interviewer that you have a lot of skills in your field. Lastly, I would like to suggest one of the app that I had used called Study Tonight. So this is an app which gave the basic knowledge of all the technical questions that had been asked in the interview. So it is really helpful for the last minute brushing as well. So the last thing I want to mention is that always keep your basics strong and speak with confidence, and always be interactive in the personal interview. Thank you and all the best.